Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Momo Bee Diamond Painting. My name is Bev, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Diamond Art Club canvas that I've wanted forever. I actually ordered it quite a while ago, and it arrived a while ago. I just haven't opened it yet, so I decided what better way to open it than do it on video. So today we're going to be unboxing Sweet Tooth by Diamond Art Club. The artist is Myka Jelina. There she is in all her glory. It is a round diamond painting, and it's from Diamond Art Club. So let's take a look. So if you've never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, it does come in a box within a box. For Canada, it was delivered via DHL. I didn't have to pay customs so far with all of my Diamond Art Clubs. I've never had to pay customs, crossing my fingers for next time. Please excuse my nails. I know that they are beautiful right now and you love them, and this is the new trend, just so you know. So please make sure, if you want to stay on trend like I do, just paint part of your nails or paint all of your nails and then wait for it to rub off, and then don't bother repainting it or removing the nail polish. That is my one fashion tip for this video. Thank you and good night. Let's take her out of the box. It's a very big canvas. I may have to move to my floor in order to show it to you, but we'll see what happens. That is everything in the box. Ooh, throw that box on the floor and make a bang. Here is the schematic that comes with it, and this whole thing, if you haven't had a Diamond Art Club before, this whole thing is a sticker. So not only do you get a little sticker here that you can cut out, put in your logbook, but the schematic is also a sticker, so you can actually use this and put it on your plastic containers or your baggies, whatever you use to kit up. So Sweet Tooth again is 56 centimeters by 76 centimeters or 22 by 30 inches. She's beautiful and I love her. Look at all of the colors. We also get this. This is the kit that you get with Diamond Art Clubs. This is an older kit, so it might not have all the new things. Oh no, it does. It has, oops, let me just not break this desk. So it has a ton of baggies, like a poop ton of them, 2 waxes, a diamond painting pen, and a 4-placer, a squishy squish, and a tray. Let's attempt to put all of this back in here. I like the kit that this comes with, and I like that it comes with a 4-placer because I'm a hard presser and I usually will press really hard and have to replace my 4-placer, so that's a bonus. So it came in a box within a box, but it also comes in a bag in the box. Let's take a look, take a little gander. Drills are coming out, which is fine. Oh my god, she's beautiful! Here is the step-by-step instructions booklet, some tips and tricks, thank you for your purchase, how to diamond paint, and then a thank you for your purchase, discount code for your next purchase. And then here are the drills, we'll look at them after. And, oh, I missed this inside of the box. I was like, where is that little... So I missed this. This was also inside of the box with Diamond Art Clubs. You will get this little sticker. You can peel it off, put it on the outside of the box at the end if you want to organize your diamond paintings that way. You can put this in your logbook wherever you want to because it's your sticker. Do what you want with it. So now let's take a look at the canvas, which isn't going to fit on this entire thing. Sorry. Can't zoom out that well. Here is the top of the canvas. Do what makes you sparkle. Going down a little bit. So we're currently on my wonderful, kind of dusty, here's the hairball floor. She is just beautiful. So you can hopefully see the majority of this canvas. I will flatten her out a little bit for you. She's beautiful. So as you can see, we have the schematic in the top left-hand corner and the schematic down here at the bottom right-hand corner. And here comes my cat, probably going to make a cameo in this video. But she is just freaking gorgeous. This is, again, a 22 by 30 inch canvas, or 56 by 76 centimeters, whatever you want to measure by. She's just, like, I love this canvas. This was one of the first canvases I wanted from Diamond Art Club. It was the purple one. I forget what it's called. Sweet Purple. And it was Sweet Tooth who, both of these were like, oh my god. When I first started getting into diamond painting, I was like, oh my god, I need to order this canvas. I need to order this canvas. But when I got into diamond painting, both of those canvases were sold out, but I eventually got both of them. And here is Sweet Tooth today on my floor, and I love her. She's just so cute. There's like a bunch of candies around her. She has like a candy pop ring, whatever those are called. Remember, like soothers, like a candy pop ring, whatever. Giant lollipop, lots of candy along the right-hand side. She's wearing a candy bracelet. And her crown is just beautiful. I just think this one is so gorgeous. I don't know, I'm like obsessed with it. I probably won't start it right away just because I am finishing Lumina, and Lumina is huge, just like this one. And I kind of want to take a break and do a smaller one, but she is just gorgeous. I don't know if your dentist will like this one because it's enforcing eating candy, but I love it. Let's take a closer look at the drill field. Ooh, and with most diamond art canvases, well, all of the canvases I've gotten from Diamond Art Club are clear, so you're not going to need a light pad. I do use a light pad regardless anyway, but look how perfectly clear these symbols are. Just beautiful. She's wonderful. I love like the detail in her eyes. And then here is a close-up of the bottom of the canvas where it says Diamond Art Club, and then her item number, Sweet Tooth, again the measurements, and by Myka Jelina, Myka Jelina. And this is a licensed canvas, so the artist is actually getting paid for allowing her art to be used by Diamond Art Club, which is super important because we do want to make sure our artists get paid. When I first started diamond painting, I didn't even know that ripping off artists was a thing. Like, it didn't even cross my mind, but now I'm like really cognizant and aware of who I'm buying from and where I'm buying from, and making sure that the original artist actually got paid. So let's take a closer look at the schematic. So here is the color list. The symbols on it are really clear. The DMC codes are actually listed, where's my finger? Are actually listed along the side here. And it is 33 colors. Let's move back up to my desk and then let's take a look at the drills. Open up the drills here. There's a whole ton of them. Look at all of these pretty colors. Where is the opening for this bag? I don't know how they get them in the bag so nicely because I can never repack them. So there is the drill train, as some people like to call it. There's a long ass one and then a short one. I'm not going to go through I'm not going to say the numbers for each of the drills. You can just take a look at them. Lots of 310, 310, 310, 310. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bags of 310. As you saw, like some of the background is 310, but also the outline of every one of the illustrations is 310 too, so you'll see a lot of that. There's a drill that popped in there for some fun. And the last drill train is full of these candy colored drills, which I love. Ooh, that color is really pretty. There is E907. I don't know why this is E907. Can someone tell me in the comments below why this one is E907? Like, what's the difference between this and normal 907? And there's two things of white. But I'm really happy. Like, look at all the colors that came with this. It's going to be so beautiful and colorful. Definitely one that I'm going to frame most likely on my wall or put it somewhere really nice. Maybe even in front of my desk. I love this diamond painting. So again, this was the unboxing for Sweet Tooth by Diamond Art Club by Myka Jelina. And I'm so excited to get this one started. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, hit the thumbs up button. Please hit subscribe so you will see my future videos. I do have a bunch of other diamond painting unboxings on my channel, so if you head on to my channel page, you can watch those there. There's a bunch of Diamond Art Clubs, and there's going to be a whole bunch more of Diamond Art Clubs because I just ordered some from Black Friday. So, with that being said, thank you so much for joining me. I'm super stoked on Sweet Tooth by Diamond Art Club, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks, bye!